Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily delete a server on Discord. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in your server and just come here on this arrow here, click on it. And now what you want to do is just click on server settings. When you're here, now what you want to do is just click here on delete server. When you click on it, the way, and delete server. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, I didn't put the dot there. Okay. This is the way. And delete server. Voila. So the server is now deleted, and this is how you can delete server. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.